Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here for NextPit.com, and today Samsung introduced the brand new Galaxy Z Flip 4. And here are our first impressions on the phone. Let's take a look. As speculated in previous leaks, the smartphone comes with slightly narrower bezels, 0.8 mm less at the top and bottom, and 0.3 thinner on the right and the left. There's also a new, more compact hinge. The folding mechanism feels high quality, but a slight crease remains visible on the latest Flip model. The Z Flip 4 retains the same IPX8 protection standards as its predecessor. The new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus is used on the outside, which according to Samsung is 12% stronger than the regular Victus found in the previous generation. The interior display has not changed. The 6.67-inch display still remains with an extra long Full HD resolution that is 1080 pixels. According to Samsung, the inner ultra-thin glass is 18% more crack-resistant than its predecessor. The external display once again measures 1.9 inches and has a resolution of 260 pixels, while having picked up a few new tricks. You can now reply to messages without opening the device, either via preset messages or by voice. There are also new themes that you can use to ensure that your external smartphone display matches your Galaxy Watch 5. While the more compact hinge doesn't have a major impact on the Flip 4's external dimensions, there's more room under the hood that Samsung has used for an additional 400 mAh battery capacity. This brings the latest Flip 4 to 3700 mAh. The battery now charges at 25 watts and, according to Samsung, should be full 14% faster than before. So in 30 minutes you have 50% of the battery capacity. That's not bad for Samsung, but of course, the competition can do it much faster. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 takes care of all processing tasks, mated to 8 GB of RAM. Samsung has taken another step forward with the camera. On the outside of the camera case, you will still find two cameras, one ultra-wide angle and one wide angle. The main camera still boasts a 12 megapixel resolution, but according to Samsung, the sensor offers 65% more surface area. The specs hint towards the sensor that Samsung used as the main camera in the last year's Z Fold 3. The ultra-wide angle camera in the Z Flip 4 on the other side seems to be exactly the one that we've already seen last year in the Z Flip 3. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be available in stores from August 26 onwards and will arrive in 3 memory versions with 128, 256 and 512 GB, plus 8 GB of RAM each. And we share all the prices in the description of this video. In terms of accessories, Samsung once again offers numerous cases and sleeves, which we personally like very much as they are just a bit unusual, just like the form factor of the smartphone itself. So that's it. That is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So what do you think about it? Did you like it? Well, let us know on the comment section, and please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye!